Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you guys how to download Gmail app on your mobile device so you can access your email on the go. So let's get started. First, you need to open the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can open the Apple App Store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. It should have the Gmail logo and envelope with a red M on it. Next, tap the install button, which will show up right here, or the get button if you're on iOS. This will begin the download and installation process. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.